Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tasks to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're diving into something that's super important for parents: how to renew a passport for your child in 2025. With travel picking up and new regulations in place, getting this right can save you time and headaches. So, if you're a parent staring at an expiring passport, let's get started. First things first, check if your child even needs a renewal. For minors under 16, passports are typically valid for 5 years, but always double-check the expiration date on the official government website. In 2025, the U.S. Department of State has streamlined the process, so head over to their site or use the updated mobile app to verify eligibility. Step 1. Gather your documents. You'll need the child's current passport, a certified birth certificate, a recent photo that meets the 2025 guidelines, think plain background and neutral expression, plus identification for the parents or guardians. Don't forget proof of your relationship, like a parental consent form if applicable. Next, fill out the DS-11 form for first-time applicants or DS-82 if it's a renewal. Wait, actually for kids, it's often DS-11 even for renewals, so confirm that. You can do this online through the State Department's portal, which is now faster and more user-friendly in 2025. Make sure to answer all questions accurately to avoid delays. Once your form is ready, submit it either online, by mail, or at a passport agency. For 2025, online submissions are encouraged, and you might need to schedule an in-person appointment if your child is under a certain age. Oh, and budget for the fees. Expect around $150 for a child's passport, plus any expediting costs if you're in a rush. After submission, keep an eye on your application status through the online tracker. Processing can take 6 to 8 weeks normally, but with 2025 updates, it might be quicker. Finally, once approved, your child's new passport will arrive by mail. Pro tip: apply at least 3 months before any planned trips to account for any hiccups. There you have it. Renewing your child's passport in 2025 is straightforward with a little preparation. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more family travel tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels, everyone. Thanks for watching.